Well, folks, today we're out here helping a friend of ours gather some pecans. Right here shaking the trees and learning his, I guess you call this pecan picker-upper. I don't really know what the name of it is, but we're just out here giving him a hand and having a good time doing it. So I figured I'd take this video for you folks, something I've never seen before, so maybe it's something you'll be seeing for the first time too. So stick around. Alright folks, so try to give you a little bit of understanding of how this pecan combine, I guess you call it, I still don't know the name for it, works. It's almost like you combined a combine with a square hay baler or something. It's got little rubber teeth that picks everything off the ground, the sticks and everything. That goes into a separator or cleaner or whatever you want to call it. Got a fan blowing through it just like in any sort of combine or seed cleaner. That goes up a series of sieves, I suppose it'd be. Falls down, the smaller stuff goes into a rotor there, which takes it up, cleans it some more, and drops it over in the hopper. So, like I said, if I don't know exactly what I'm talking about here, I've never been around this before, but it's still pretty cool, so that's why I figured you folks would like to watch it. Almighty Google, I found out this is called a Savage Pecan Harvester. So Savage being the brand, this is a little bit older one, but still works just fine. It's really cool to see it work. I mean, I've never seen anything like it before, but it sure is nifty. So this is the shaker that the fella's using. It's called a nut hustler. It says it's made in Texas. Don't know anything about it, but apparently it grabs the trees. It's got a hydraulic arm that comes in and squeezes it, and then just shakes it a lot. So that works pretty cool. Hey, look at there. Great big green machine. Anyway, this thing works really good and does a good job of shaking these trees and getting the pecans on the ground. Hey everybody, yeah, I forgot to make an outro for the video for the pecans yesterday when we did it, so I'm doing it today. So this will be the outro for the pecan video, and subsequently the next video you see, I'll look identical because it's the next day. But that's neither here nor there. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you folks later.